Hey guys, we're in Rome. Solo travel makes you feel really capable. I swear I meet the nicest people whenever I go on solo trips. Hello, welcome back. This is our final full day in Rome, and it's also the third and final part of this mini travel series. I'll make sure to include a link to part 1 and 2 somewhere. We have got very lovely weather today. Here, just having lunch. This is quite a touristy restaurant, I'd say, but the food is still very, very good. On the agenda, we've got the Colosseum and the Roman Forum, which are right next to each other geographically. Central Rome is very walkable. Tickets for the Colosseum are sold out for the day, so do book yours in advance. I'd recommend at least a week in advance, maybe even more if you're visiting in the summer months. I've got my hands on tickets for the Roman Forum though, so don't worry, we'll still have plenty to see and explore today.
Dramatisch is het niet, want het zijn allemaal groepen. Ja. Dus zodra ze het goed checken, dan
Two-week climb. It's currently 7:10 in the morning, and I know it's not exactly early, but I'm wondering if there would be fewer people at the Trevi Fountain right now. It's not even completely bright outside yet. We're making our way, and I think sunrise is actually in about 10 minutes. We'll see if we can catch that. I made my wishes and tossed my coin. I've been too embarrassed to do it until now. I have gained some clarity though over the past few days, so I think it is for the best that I left it until the last day. I knew Rome was going to be a good time, but it still proceeded to exceed my expectations in every single way. It has just been good days upon good days that I almost felt scared because I feared this wouldn't last. But I need to remember that happiness is a choice, and we have the power to choose to be happy every single day. In the last few months of 2023, somehow I became very defensive and refused a lot of help from old and new friends. I think I wanted to appear tough and prove that I can make it in this world all by myself. I now understand not only was that completely unnecessary, also no one makes it by themselves. I hope it's not too late that I'm realizing this now, heading into 2024 feeling soft and blessed. I did cry. I cry at the end of all of my solo trips though. Being emotional isn't the most helpful or practical, but I also feel like it's not something that I need to fix per se. I think I cry at the end of my solo trip because I don't like how much I enjoy escapism. Being avoidant about the real issues in my life usually lead to further chaos or depressive episodes down the line, so I didn't like how much I let myself indulge in escapism. Fantasy worlds are pretty, but also so fragile that you can almost sense the pain awaiting on the other side. But why am I painting escapism in such a bad light? Why am I being so critical of myself when I know these feelings are so universally experienced? Cringing a little bit at my own voice at the end there. Hi, this is present day Seaway, and I know it took me way too long to finish editing my own vlogs, which I filmed over New Year's. I am embarrassed, but let's just say job searching broke me a little bit. To be fair, life isn't that bad, all things considered. If only I can look at things objectively. But anyways, I've popped in to give a little bit of a heads up on what's coming next. I did travel a little bit more between New Year's and now, but I thought it might be interesting, instead of putting out endless travel vlogs, for me to pull together something a bit different to put into the mix, namely some college content. My graduation ceremony is actually coming up very, very soon this Saturday. I'm super excited for it, but also really nervous, I think maybe due to my lack of achievements, but we don't need to talk about that now. I will actually be spending the entire weekend at Oxford, so I've been just reminiscing, looking at everything I filmed over my Oxford years, and I really think I can actually piece something together, especially the final few weeks post-finals, including us as a cohort going to a graduation ball. So if some college content would be something of interest, please consider subscribing and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Hope life is good, and hope to see you very soon in my next video.